Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about the best 30 apps for your iPhone 12 mini. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So the number one on our list is going to be Color Widget. So this app is the only thing you need to customize your home screen besides the other one. You can choose from stunning pre-made widget designs, or better yet, make your own. You can browse through endless options like countdowns, date, battery, as this one as you can tell, weather, quotes, and even more. The good thing is that this app is so easy to use that your favorite widgets can be up and running within seconds. And next up we're gonna have CHIMANI. So basically with this app you can look at the tons of national parks waiting for you to enjoy. This app helps bring all the information about these parks into one easy to digest app so you can be ready to go outdoors. If you select to the map, you can even look at all the national parks that are near you. As you can tell, you can check in your state as well. The LIBBY. So this app is gonna help you check out books right from your device, or you can send books to your Kindle for easier reading. This app is going to be a no-brainer for people who read faster than their wallet can keep up, and here you can search or browse something to borrow at your local library, which is going to be really useful, so you don't have to go out, and you can also check what's available at your library. Next up we're going to have WIDGETSMITH. So this app is going to customize the widgets and app icons, and just beware that you're going to have plenty of options to customize from. You can generate the wallpapers, you can get the WIDGETSMITH Premium, which is going to give you a lot more options to also add any widget, and you're gonna also have jumbo privacy. So basically the reason for this app is that the internet is not as innocent as it used to be, and if you want to stay safe while browsing, you need tools to help you do that. So this app is going to promise to help you take control of your data from sites like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Alexa, and even more. This app doesn't just tell you what is a threat, but also explains why and also how to avoid it. And now we're gonna have the app 1111. So basically if you don't know or care what your domain name, server, or IP addresses is, you can throw this app in your phone, because in short it's going to send you internet traffic through Cloudflare rather than ISPs like Verizon or any other phone company, meaning that connections to website and services are going to be faster and better hidden from corporations looking to monetize all your data. Here, as you can tell, we're going to have the menu, and you can even access and you can even upgrade to warp use. And next up we're going to have Duolingo. I don't think I have to explain this one. Basically it's just an app where you can learn more than 35 languages. It's fun, it's free, and there's always time for some knowledge, so it's good. So here you can practice speaking, reading, listening, and writing to build your vocabulary and grammar skill. And next up we're gonna have Citymapper. So basically Citymapper is the Google Maps public transportation app, but even better, since Google Maps can sometimes overlook options like scooters or bike shares. If you live in one of the cities that this app works for or covers, chances are that this is going to give you a fastest and most comprehensive way to get to whatever you're trying to get to, and it's also going to help you a lot on getting around on public transportation. And then for the sky lovers, we're going to have Night Sky. So this app is a powerful personal planetarium. This is going to quickly identify stars and planets magically. Whether you're looking for a constellation or an international space station, research it with Night Sky from the comfort of your iPhone. As you can tell, as you move the phone up the sky, you can start looking at the constellations. For example, there's one right here in this direction, Aries. And now we're gonna have First Aid. So First Aid basically is just precaution. You never know when an accident is gonna happen, so you need to have an advantage on how to know how to perform when allergies happen, when an asthma attack happens, bleeding, choking, concussion, CPR. This app is gonna put first aid information right in your pocket. Videos and interactive quizzes are gonna help you become a grade A survivalist, but just remember to call emergency before taking the matters into your own hands. And next up we're gonna have the COVID Symptom app. So basically if you want to help quell the spread of COVID-19 with just a few taps on your iPhone, you can download this app by taking 1 minute each day to track your symptoms or the lack thereof, as scientists at some universities will be able to find high-risk areas more quickly. So basically you just input all of your information, and every single day you're going to report, even if you're feeling well. And now we're going to have GBOARD. So basically GBOARD is another variation of your keyboard. We all like the iPhone one, but let's be clear, with GBOARD you're going to have a lot of options, a lot lot of things to do. For example, you're gonna have the translator right here added to your keyboard. You're even gonna be able to look for GIF really fast. For example, I'm gonna put lab, and here you're gonna have everything so much faster than going to Google or sharing it. Now we're gonna have Buddy Watch. So now that apps can use as many Apple Watch complications as they please, you can construct richer and more useful watch faces. Or you can also be lazy and see if someone else has done the hard work for you, which this app is gonna work for you. It has a huge collection of custom watch faces that you can download and install with a tap, sign up, and you can save a personal collection too as well. Or even upload your own creations via the Buddy Watch website. And then we're gonna have the One Blocker. So we all know trackers follow you around the internet and your data as well. One Blocker can read of your browsing experience of them all. Once installed, the app is gonna block all such bothersome website content, but you can also create custom whitelist rules for the sites that you like so that they don't lose out on ad revenue. You can also try out Lake. So smart people long ago figured out that coloring isn't just for kids, and in fact is a great way for adults to unwind, since Lake brings such a fare to iPhone and iPad with a smart, stress-free interface. Plenty of emphasis on the artist creating the artwork. So basically you can just select one of the arts that are free and you can start coloring, which is going to be really peaceful and calming. It really helps with your anxiety as well. And then we're gonna have Oak. So Oak is gonna help you decompress by transforming your meditation practice from an experiment into a habit. They support you from the first session even to the 500th with mindful, loving kindness and sleep meditations, as well as in guided sessions and breathing exercises. So if you're a photographer, Solar Watch is gonna be dedicated for you. It's a gigantic visualization, leaves no room for error as you gap at hours of light and dark and all the important golden hours. Multiple locations can be saved, and there is a superb home screen widget that you can also browse a yearly daylight overview from any location. For example, I'm going to show you the widget, which is going to be right here, as you can tell. And next up, we're gonna have the ASL app. So basically it's designed to help you learn a new visual language in a way that it's easy and well paced. So basically you can drag your finger on the videos to control the speed. As you can tell here, if you want it slower, you can have it slower, and you can skip through the free lessons. And also you're gonna have some paid ones, but I don't think you have to do that. With the basic ones, you'll be fine. And then we're gonna have AdGuard. So this one is an ultra efficient ad blocker for Safari, and it will not only remove annoying ads but also secure your privacy with advanced tracking protection. You can also get stronger with premium, as you can tell, but this is going to be another good app to take care of your phone. And next up, we're going to have VSCO, which is going to be a photo editing place. And not only that, it's a free photo editor, advanced photo editing tools, and it has a video editor as well. So this app is really good to edit your pictures. And next up, we're going to have Spark. So Spark is a new email app for iPhone, and it's one of those apps. It has a smart inbox function that automatically categorizes and filters incoming mail, so you only get alerted on the important messages. You're also gonna have Todoist, so this is gonna make it easy to be flexible and adjust your plans as you go. At the end of every day, you can use Today View to review all you have accomplished, and you can even leave for tomorrow stuff that you haven't finished yet. Then we're gonna have Darkroom, which is gonna be another editing app. This is a premium photo and video editor that is easy to use by casual photographers, yet powerful enough for the pros. All the tools you need to bring your photos to life are live photos, raw images, and portrait images offered for free, available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. And then we're gonna have Discord. So basically this app is gonna be really good if you're a gamer, since this is an app designed to help gamers talk to each other in real time. Discord has other features like text-based chat rooms and direct messages. And then you're also gonna have the app Likewise. So this app gathers recommendations from people you know or trust, and these recommendations are unlimited to one thing. They can be someone's favorite books, movies, TV shows, or maybe brunch spots. So if sometimes you don't know what to read or what to watch, you can always log into this app and they're going to give you daily recommendations. And then we're going to have CAMSCANNER. Basically, this is going to be an app for school or maybe your job. If you don't have a scanner, this is a free scanner app that is going to help users scan, edit, store, and sync contents across smartphone. And the good thing is that it's really simple. All you have to do is like take a picture and then it's going to start scanning. And then we're going to have MATHWAY. This app is going to be really simple. Basically, all you have to do is input any mathematical mathematical problem, and this app is going to give you the right answer. And if you pay for a premium edition, it's going to show you the steps, but I don't think you're really going to need that if you already have the answer to check with yours. So don't forget to download this one. Then we have Uber. This one doesn't need a lot of explanation either. It's a really good transportation app where it can get you anywhere by just ordering a car and getting the credit from your account. And then second to last, we're going to have Reddit. So Reddit is an American social news aggregation, web content rating, and discussion website. So the registered members submit content to the site such as links, text posts, and images, and they are often voted up or down by other members. And now last but not least, we're gonna have Zombies Run. This is an ultra immersive running experience. So every run is gonna become a mission where you're the hero with the immersive audio drama putting you at the center of your very own zombie adventure story. So what this is gonna do is gonna give you a more enhanced experience, and you're not gonna be that bored as you're working out. You're basically gonna be distracted the whole time that this is gonna work. Okay everyone, so that was it on the best 30 apps for your iPhone 12 mini. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below on which app was your favorite. And as always, I will see you in the next video.